money 434.
So apparently Lil Meech got caught up on somebody's Ring doorbell. Looked like the next door neighbors across the hall. But he was allegedly caught snooping around, you know, cheating on his girl, Summer Walker, with some other joint. And then he responded and said that he was just helping with the groceries. My nigga.
My nigga.
Check this out.
Every time. Who is this for? Who is this for?
But it just hurts so bad when it ain't working out. 'Cause I don't want nobody else but you.
Damn, I can't help my cousin bring the bags in the house. We went to the grocery store, man.
Why would you do that?
You can't stop.